What's going on, guys? Kentech here. Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. So today, before we get into the subject of the day, it's going to go over the market, see if things sitting at the moment. Right now, our market is doing absolutely amazing. Over the last 2 days, we've seen the market reach over $35 billion in total market cap gain. As you can see, pretty awesome. We have 5 to 15 to 20% gains on some of these coins only in the last 24 hours. The biggest standout right here we have is XRP. Going from like 26 cents to 53 cents. So really cool stuff with what XRP is doing. Up 21% in the last day. So people that are holding XRP and that bought it before are already seeing a 2x on their money. So congratulations to anyone who did so. So guys, I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks if you guys did want to start trading or doing Forex for, with cryptocurrency especially, and Bitcoin to USD pair in specific. So as you guys know, cryptocurrency is one of the best ways to make money off trading or daily trading. If you guys did want to learn it, it is not too hard. Of course, it is tricky. You guys always have to learn some different tactics and tips and stuff like that when you are learning how to trade, especially with a volatile market like this. I personally only Forex. I don't do trading, but I Forex with the Bitcoin to USD pair. It's a bit different than daily from daily trading. There's a whole bunch of aspects that go into it. Daily trading is sort of going up and down, while Forex is just calling what's going to happen in the future. So it's just sort of I guess that's the biggest difference between those two. So I'm gonna be going over some tips and tricks and my favorite way of I guess looking at looking at the way you want to trade. There's different ways to to look at the prices of your favorite cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to be going over some of the tips that I use that I think would be helpful for you guys to maybe earn success in the near future. So guys, with the market continuously growing on and on, as you can see, we did see a decent, gain with the market in total value of over $35 billion. And we can see how fast it could go up and how fast it could go down. We've been through it all. The hype train basically started back in December when it went up super fast. It came down super fast as well. And, it's just, I guess it's been like that ever since. We've been seeing it like this. And it just sort of goes up and it goes back down, goes up and goes back down. And that's what we've been seeing happen for a while now, right? And right now up $35 billion. It is a decent time to maybe start looking at some different times, guys. There's always opportunity, especially in cryptocurrency, to make money even on a down market. Right now, that the fact that we're in a down market right now obviously isn't a good time to buy. Of course, it is a better time to buy in the near future, but the prices will probably correct very soon after seeing a very heavy pump. Like I said, only my prediction, but with the market being pretty down from our all-time high of 850 billion, it is still a good time to make money off day trading and Forex. And like I said, I have a whole bunch of tricks. I've made a lot of money doing this. I've sort of taught myself how to do it, and like I said, I use different programs that help me. And like I said, these specific programs, especially the one that I'm going to be going over soon, is very cool for you guys, and it's going to help you advance yourself in trading, especially in Forex is what I use it for mostly. And it's just an amazing tool that I just use on the daily to make a lot of money trading on the day. So guys, day trading basically consists of picking a coin that you want on, let's say, Binance or KuCoin, one of the bigger exchanges that has a decent amount of volume, and you pick a coin that has, like I said, a decent amount of volume with maybe a couple of hundred Bitcoin that you guys can work with. Like I think I used to do Ethereum. I used to do Litecoin was a good one. VeChain was a good one. I used to do Tron, but that was a while ago. And then I sort of moved on to Forex. And day trading did make me a good amount of money, but I guess it's different from Forex. But I guess it's just sort of how you guys look at it. But so what did day trading me? Day trading advanced me to. What did I gain from it, and what can I move on to you guys? And my number one thing is that you guys have to have a good way to look at your money, your charts. What's going on in the market always, because basically how it works is you have to basically read the market, and without a good chart, without good signals, without good all that different kind of stuff, basing your prediction on what's going to happen, when you want to buy and when you want to sell in your trading, you don't really have a base, you don't really have anything, you don't know what's going on, and that's where you start losing money instead of gaining money. When of course your goal is to gain money, to try to start with 100 and come out with 200 at the end of the day. That is what everyone's goal is, and to do that you need a very good way to view what's going on with the market and where the prices are heading. So as you guys probably can see from my shirt, we're going to be looking at Coinigy, which is basically a more integrated trading view. If you guys don't know what trading view is, I'm going to be going over it in a second. Trading view is basically just another way to look at your favorite cryptocurrencies, your favorite stocks, and try to, I guess, track their prices. You could go from, you could go from 1 minute all the way up, I think, to all time. I'm not 100% sure. I think the most is like 7 days or something like that. So it does go a while back. It is pretty good for I think short-term and long-term trading as well. So this is TradingView's website. TradingView's website is basically you can see from the from the I guess the homepage here, they have a whole bunch of updates and stuff that's always going on. If I were to search it out, BTC to USD, we would find the Bitcoin to dollar, the most I guess popular one with forex trading especially is going to be Bitfinex. If we press on it, it'll basically tell us take us to another chart right here, which will pop up in a second, telling us the different prices that Bitcoin to USD on Bitfinex has gone through. And we can also go into full feature chart, which is actually one of the best ways to do it. Most trading places or trading views type of thing have this. You guys can see, you guys can change the minute timer all the way up actually to 1 month on TradingView, and you guys can see the whole whatever it is. This is 1 minute. Every, I guess, candlestick is a minute. These are called candlesticks. So each candlestick would represent a minute of change of price in Bitcoin on Bitfinex, and as you can see, this has it, I guess, all day for the last 24 hours. So probably less than that, I don't know, but it looks like a whole bunch of minutes obviously right here. If you guys were to put, let's say, 4 hours, each candlestick would be worth 4 hours of time of change. So a new candlestick would pop up every 4 hours, showing you the change that happened in that 4 hours with Bitcoin, if it either went up or down. And that's basically what it is, right? This is how you track the price of the cryptocurrency that you're looking for. You guys can basically search up anything. You guys can search up XRP. You guys can even search up Amazon. You guys can search up what else can you guys search up? You guys can search up gold. You guys can search up anything that you guys would really want. If I were to put gold here, anything of the price that you guys would want. Here's the US to ounce. You guys can see the prices, of course, fluctuating all the time. With gold right now, it is on the rise, up, down. So that's how it basically works. But guys, I have good news for you. As I said, I am working with Coinigy right here, and Coinigy, I think, is the more I guess integrated and more advanced version of TradingView. Now, right here, as you can see, Coinigy, I think, is a lot easier just off the bat, a lot easier to I guess go through what you're trying to look for. Now, Coinigy is based on cryptocurrency, but they do have a lot of other things available as well. If we go here to Bitfinex, here is Binance as well. Let's say if we go here to Bitfinex and we go down, we can find Bitcoin to USD, and we can press the full view chart, and we can see everything that they have to offer. So we have the 1 hour, 1 minute, all the way up to 12 hours, and that's for the hours, and then the maximum we have here is 1 month. Like I said, here is the full chart. Now, why do I like this more? Now, first of all, the ease of movement, the ease of mobility in this website is so much easier than TradingView, guys. TradingView, you'd have to put BTC to USD. People don't understand that. They put Bitcoin, they'd get into the wrong chart. Here, it's really straightforward. You pick your exchange, then you pick the pair that you want, and you're good to go. There's not a whole bunch of options I have to go through like TradingView, which I really hate, guys. I had to spend a lot of time to figure out where to find Bitfinex, actually, because my forex broker actually does take Bitfinex, and Coinigy just made it that much easier for me to find it, guys. I just found it a whole bunch easier to find it, and it's just I guess the way that it looks here, I think I would look better. The bright colors, the vibrant colors, are a whole bunch different than TradingView. TradingView is a very bland colorish. Now, of course, isn't really a big difference, but I think it is appealing to the eye when you're sitting here for hours and hours on end trading and trying to make money. It sort of gets boring with all those dull colors. Now, they do also have a whole bunch of apps that are available. We have the Art Matrix, the Block Explorer, the Chart Scanner, the Crypto Ticker. We have Google Sheets, Market Watch, Newswire, Social Scanner, SMS Alerts, and feature requests. So it's actually really cool. You guys can basically integrate everything into Coinigy. Now, Coinigy is here, the first one is out, but they are working on Coinigy 2, which is actually super cool. The beta is out right now. If you guys did want to check it out, it is right here on their website. Try the beta, and you guys can take it right away. So really cool stuff, guys. You guys can also trade on here with your balances, your accounts. You have your alerts, your different orders as well, so you guys can just right away trade from here. Here are the base, also the trading orders that they have, or the orders on Bitfinex, the Bitcoin to USD on Bitfinex. Here are the full trading orders if you guys did want to see it as well. You guys can trade very easily from here. If you guys did want to go into full screen and trade, there's a whole bunch of different integrations and options that you guys can use for that. Also here on the left side we have the different tickers that people use. We have the normal line that most people use. Is probably the most I guess popular. I guess it would be the most popular, but we just wouldn't be seen because it's already on a black background. You guys can change the background from night mode to day mode as well, from basically white to black. It's basically an easier way to say it. So guys, no doubt in my mind, I think Coinigy would be a better option for you guys over TradingView. Now, if you guys did want to check out Coinigy, the link to their website will be down in the description below. It is a very small fee to join every single month, but I can guarantee you guys it's going to be a lot more worth it. It's a lot more easier to get around, more options, bigger, I guess, platform, and it's just a whole around just a better company in my opinion, guys. They're super cool. So me and Coinigy did pair up to actually give you guys some stickers for Coinigy right here. I'm going to be giving away a couple of Coinigy stickers. If you guys did want to join the giveaway, all you guys have to do is comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. You guys will be automatically entered. I will be giving away 2 to 3 stickers to each person, and plus $50 worth of Bitcoin to that winner. Now guys, I did want to address all my giveaways will be like given to you guys via PM on YouTube. Now YouTube does have DM messages, so you guys always be checking that if, for future. I won't be announcing or anything. It just goes straight to your DM. And if you guys did win, check that. I will be sending you guys a couple stickers of Coinigy and $50 worth of Bitcoin, guys. So guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe for daily crypto videos like this one right here, guys. Don't forget to check out Coinigy down in the description below, and try to enter the giveaway to win $50 worth of Bitcoin and a couple of Coinigy stickers as well to rep your Coinigy stuff. Like I said, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.